Happy morning to all. Today we are going to see about lesson 2 Kingdom Animalia. See, in the first lesson you saw about classification of organisms, how to classify it. It's not so easy, so it is very difficult to classify the organisms. See, because of millions of species and other, it would be difficult to categorize into groups. Animal kingdom classification is based on the closely resembling characteristic features. So the characterization of animals are eukaryotic, multicellular, heterotrophic organisms. You are very well know the meaning of these words. So come to the next point. It include 35 phyla. In that 35, 11 are major phyla. So 99% of animals are invertebrates. The remaining are vertebrates. Basis of presence or absence of notochord. They are considered as two types, non-chordates and chordates. See, basis of classification. See, basis of classification, level of organization, symmetry, cell organization, nature of coelom, segmentation, notochord. See the first one, levels of organization. So here, all members are metazoans. Exhibit different patterns of cellular organization. They are not capable of independent existence and exhibit division of labor. Cells may be functionally isolated, or similar kinds of cells may be grouped together to form tissues, organ and organ system. You are already learned in lower standard, that is single cells that are grouped together to form the tissue. Tissues are grouped together to form the organ, and organs are grouped together to form the organ system. So each cell, tissue, organ and organ system have a specific function. See the first one, cellular level of organization. It is seen in sponges. Cells are arranged as loose aggregates and don't form tissues. See, levels of organization is the first one. In that category there are 4. See the first one, cellular level. It is seen in sponges, tissue, organ and organ system. First one is cellular level of organization. It is seen in sponges. The cells are arranged as loose aggregates and do not form tissues. So division occurs among the cells and different types of cells are functionally isolated. Here the outer layer is called as pinacocytes. Pinacocytes means plate. Pina means plate like cells that maintain the size and structure of the sponge. Come to the inner layer. The inner layer cells are called as choanocytes. They are flagellated collar cells that create and maintain water flow through the sponge. It makes facilitation of respiratory and digestive system. So through the choanocytes, the respiration and digestion takes place. See the next one, tissue level of organization. In some animals, cells that perform similar functions, they are aggregated to form the tissues. Tissue integrated. How it will be integrated? That is, pass the message means through the nerve and sensory cells. So through the nerve and sensory cells, tissues are integrated in a highly coordinated fashion and perform a common function. So it is an example for tissue level of organization. The next one is organ level of organization. Examples are platyhelminthes and higher phyla. See the remaining points in tissue level of organization. So the tissue level, it is exhibited in diploplastic animals. Example are cnidarians. Formation of tissue, it is the first step towards evolution of body plan in animals, isn't it? So Hydra, it's an example. It comes under the Coelenterata. Organ level of organization. Different kinds of tissues aggregate to form an organ to perform a specific function. Further advancement in tissue level of organization. So in that category, platyhelminthes phylum comes under. The next one is organ system level of organization. See flatworms, nematodes, annelids, arthropods, molluscs, echinoderms and chordates are comes under that. So it is the evolution of mesoderm. Due to that, How the organ system will be arranged means due to the evolution of mesoderm. It gives the structural complexity to the organism. So here the tissues form the organ and organ system. So how it will be perform the specific function in a coordinated way means due to the highly specified nerve and sensory cells. So they are associated with a specific function and form the organ system level of organization. See, functions of the organ system, they are in three ways depending on the animal. It is primitive or maybe simple or maybe complex. So depending on the individual, either type is present. It is an example for organ system level of organization: digestive system, lymphatic system, nervous system. So various systems are not only human, the annelids, arthropods, molluscs, echinoderms, chordates or have it. Next one. See the examples: incomplete digestive system and complete digestive system. See, we saw about various organ system, isn't it? So the example given here is digestive system. So there are two types, incomplete and complete. See the first point: only a single opening to the exterior which serves both mouth and anus. Example, platyhelminthes. So in platyhelminthes, they contain only one open in the exterior of the body. So that single open, it is act as both mouth and anus. The ingestion and excretion takes place through the single hole. In complete digestive system, all animals have a complete digestive system with two openings, that is mouth and anus separately. Example, Ascalminthes to chordates. See the example, incomplete digestive system in planaria. See, opening which functions as mouth and anus, a single open in the outside of the body. Next, complete digestive in humans. See the mouth part, it is for ingestion and anus for digestion. The next one is circulatory system, open circulatory system and closed circulatory system. See the notes for that. Open type of circulatory system. See the first point, blood remains filled in tissue space due to the absence of blood capillaries. So there is no blood capillary, the fluids are filled in the body space. Examples are arthropods, molluscs, echinoderms and urochordates. See the closed type circulatory system. Blood is circulated through blood vessels of varying diameters. The blood vessels are arteries, veins and capillaries. So the examples for closed type circulatory system organs are annelids, cephalochordates and vertebrates. Next one, diploplastic organization. See, during embryonic development, the tissues and organs of animals originate from 2 or 3 embryonic germ layers.